Hey teammates, so in today's video I wanted to show you guys how I achieve this sexy, sultry night out date night makeup look. Okay, so if you're interested in how we achieve this, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I'm doing a runway mini haul. Okay, I want to show you guys that you can rock this makeup look in your lounge wear, your grunge wear, or your sexy night out wear, wherever you are going. Okay, this look is so universal and it's just gonna look so good on you. All the information on these outfits will be linked down below in the description box so you can get your hands on it. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So hey my pookies, once again we're starting off with a clear, fresh face, okay, washed. I did do my eyebrows off camera, but let's get into skin prep. First things first, I'm going to take my Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Love this moisturizer down, girl. It is so nice, so thin, goes on my face, just it's ridiculous, girl. I love it. And you guys know e.l.f. Power Grip has the makeup community in a chokehold, and there's a reason, because it's so good and it just sticks to that makeup. For foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take my NARS Radiance Foundation in shade Tahoe, which is a perfect color match for me. I'm going to go ahead and just smooth this onto my skin with a Real Technique brush that I got from Marshall's. So here I'm just patting this into my skin. You know I like to blend my makeup, my foundation to be exact, with a brush, but I wanted to use my Paw Paw Beauty Blender, which is from Amazon, and I will link that down below in my Amazon must-haves. This is the best dupe for a beauty blender. It's just the best dupe and it's super inexpensive. I am breaking out, so yeah, that pimple was eating me up, but it's okay. So here I'm taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in medium warm, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my forehead, my under eye, and my nose. Then I take my black Opal Cream Contour in shade Hazelnut, and I just put that all in my contour areas, okay? This look is just going to be so beautifully blended out and just so sexy. I was so obsessed when I was done with this makeup look, and I just cannot wait for you guys to try this on yourselves. Like, please, I don't just do these makeup looks just to do them. Like, I need y'all to be practicing and trying it out, because you're just going to love me every time. Like, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, she's telling me all the tea. Anyways, I'm taking my Real Techniques dupe. I got this brush actually from Shein. I'm going to go ahead and take this little brush, and I'm going to blend my concealer out. I like to focus on the edges of it first, and then just kind of like move it into, you know, the face, and it just looks so much like butter and just so, I don't know, just so beautifully buttered. Okay, period. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my dupe foundation brush from Real Techniques that I also got from Shein, and we are just going to push this cream contour into the skin until it just fades into that concealer like nobody's business. Also, with my nose contour, I like to bring it all the way up into my brows. This just gives for the most natural, you got it from your mama nose, okay? It don't look too harsh, not too crazy, nothing, okay? So I'm taking a fluffy brush, a dense fluffy brush, and blending out the sides of my nose contour, and then lastly blending out the bridge of my nose with the same brush and just patting that in, okay? So here I'm going to take my Juvias Place liquid blush. This is in shade Pink Petals, and I just take one dab. This thing is so pigmented, so be very careful, especially if you're new to makeup. I would recommend starting with a powder blush instead of a liquid, because this can be a little intimidating, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out, and then after we blend out my blush, I'm going to go ahead and just pull my concealer down a little bit, just so my blush is not too high up on my face. That's personal preference. You don't have to do it. So next up, we're going to go ahead and set under my eye with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and this is the ultra blur one. Using the same beauty blender I used to blend out my foundation, we're just going to push this into the skin first. This is the setting part. We're pushing it into the skin. This is what's going to make the makeup sit in place and not go anywhere. After you push that into the skin, then you're going to see me go back into the powder, and that's going to be the baking that we're doing. Now the baking's really going to lock it in and kind of give you that dramatic, you know, kind of look. You don't have to bake. Sometimes you could just set, but this is a sultry night out, girl, so I'm just going to go all the way. Next up, taking my Glam bronzer from Morphe, which is unfortunately discontinued, but a good dupe is going to be the Juvias Place bronzers. I'm going to go ahead and put that everywhere that I put my contour, and then I'm going to go back in with my Juvias Place powder blush in volume 5 and put that over my liquid blush. The video is moving a little bit fast for me right now, but you can always go back and watch it. I cleaned up my contour and then I set my eyes. So now we're going to go ahead and take this eyeshadow palette from Juvias Place. Will be linked down below in the description box because, you know, you guys need all the details. I'm going to go ahead and take that second shade, which is a brown, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all in my crease, blend it out. Then I'm going to take that deeper brown that's next to it, and we are going to put that in my outer crease and just kind of blend those two shades together using circular motions. I hope this video is not going too fast, okay? This palette is the Elizabeth palette. I'm going to go ahead and take that bronzy shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I actually got this shade from Ross. Not shade, but I got this palette from Ross. So you can use any shimmer shades that you have. This was just literally a $10 palette that I found at Ross, and I was like, let me try it out. So after we pop those shades in my inner corner and on my lid, I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing liner. And today I really wanted that siren extended eye look. So after doing my eyeliner, I'm bringing it into the corner of my eye and kind of dragging it down. As you can see, you can always rewind it to see exactly what I'm doing. But that's what's going to give my eyes this really sultry look, okay? After that, I'm going to take my black liner from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to smudge that all over my waterline and my low lash line, just so I have this really dark eye look. And that's exactly what I wanted today. Period. It's giving model. It's giving fox eye. It's giving model. Period. Okay? Next up, I'm going to take these dramatic lashes that I got from Shein and take my fluffy brush and just dust away the excess powder that's on my face. Okay, we're going to dust it away, making sure nothing is left over. And then I'm going to set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my Luxe lip liner, and this is in shade Brownie. This is actually from Juvias Place. This shade is so gorgeous and universal. I love it so bad, okay, period. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'm going to take my Team Stacey Cosmetics. It's not launched yet. I'm still working on a lot of things to get this out, but it will be coming soon. I'm going to go ahead and take that shade all over my lips, and then throw a gloss right on top of it. This gloss is the watermelon gloss from Juvias Place. So this is what the look is looking like. This is just so freaking gorgeous. I'm absolutely obsessed. I cannot get enough of this makeup look. Like, just get into it, bookies. Just get into the face. This is just so beautiful, so sultry, so night out friendly. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. So if you guys are interested in more content like this, give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Join the team and just do it like Nike. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's a big family over here, and we just love each other, and I love you guys so much. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of today's video. I love you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.